Hey Brittany, Alex Marevka here with Tameron Hyundai. Thank you so much for your interest in the beautiful Hyundai Elantra. I know you were looking for a 2014. We do have some of the Elantra GTs left, which are beautiful vehicles in the 14. Outside of that, all of the 14 Elantras are gone. Great news though, we do have a ton of 2015s on the lot. All different colors, all different packages, all different styles. The best part about all these vehicles is the warranty. Here at Tameron Hyundai, we double the manufacturer powertrain warranty, giving you 20 years or 200,000 miles of powertrain coverage on every vehicle on the lot, so give me a call. The phone number here is 205-380-6250. Again, it's Alex Marevka at Tameron Hyundai, 205-380-6250. Thank you so much.